This ladle with a built-in strainer to separate the goods from the soup. This thing that slices bananas fast. This mesh that stops sizzling oil from spraying all over the place. This shrink dispenser for your soda bottles. This popkin organizer that automatically dispenses the next can. But maybe this tiny thing that's used for slicing green onions into long strands. And this flexible holder keeps wine glasses from breaking. That's adjustable measuring spoon that replaces the need for all of these. This gadget shreds chicken and other meats effortlessly, while this cover prevents appliances from accidentally turning on. And so never mind this grippy spatula that lets you flip your eggs without making a mess. This special container with a movable bottom that prevents guacamole from turning brown by removing all the air. These oven guards are perfect for protecting against accidental burns, while this rechargeable fly zapper quickly fries flying insects. This is special pad that goes around your kitchen faucet to keep your countertop puddle-free. This masher that was supposed to work with cauliflower, but it didn't. This disposable ice cube tray that you fill up with water, freeze, and then stretch to get a bag of ice. This thing that holds open your Ziploc bags for easy filling. This silicone hamburger holder that keeps your hands clean and stops everything from falling out. This little witch that sits on your spoon and holds it over your pots.